Pets bring joy and companionship to our lives, but they also come with their fair share of challenges, especially when it comes to cleaning up their hair. Pet hair can be stubborn and pervasive, clinging to furniture, carpets, and clothing. Therefore, having a reliable vacuum cleaner specifically designed to tackle pet hair is essential for pet owners. Number 1. Bagless Upright Vacuum Cleaner with Pet Hair Brush. The Bagless Upright Vacuum Cleaner with Pet Hair Brush is designed to make cleaning pet hair a breeze. With its powerful suction and specialized pet hair brush, this vacuum cleaner can efficiently pick up pet hair from various surfaces, including carpets and upholstery. The bagless design means you won't have to deal with messy vacuum bags, making maintenance easier and more environmentally friendly. Its lightweight construction ensures that you can maneuver it around your home with ease, and the sleek design fits into any modern decor. This vacuum is equipped with advanced filtration technology that captures allergens and pet dander, making it an excellent choice for households with pets and allergy sufferers. With a range of attachments included, you can tackle different cleaning tasks, from floors to furniture. Whether you have a dog, cat, or any other furry friend, this vacuum cleaner is ready to help you maintain a clean and hair-free home. Key features: powerful suction, designed to capture pet hair from carpets, upholstery, and hard floors. Specialized pet hair brush, the included brush helps lift stubborn hair from various surfaces. Bagless design saves you money on bags and is easier to empty and maintain. Lightweight and portable, easy to maneuver around the house, especially in tight spaces. Advanced filtration reduces allergens and improves air quality for allergy sufferers. Versatile attachments comes with various tools for cleaning different surfaces, including crevice tools and dusting brushes. Number 2. Cyclonic Pet Hair Vacuum Cleaner. The Cyclonic Pet Hair Vacuum Cleaner offers a robust cleaning solution for pet owners. Utilizing cyclonic technology, this vacuum maintains powerful suction while preventing clogs, ensuring a consistent performance even when cleaning up the most stubborn pet hair. Its compact design allows for easy storage, making it perfect for small homes or apartments. This vacuum is also equipped with a HEPA filter, which captures fine dust and allergens, contributing to a healthier living environment. Its easy-to-empty dustbin minimizes mess, allowing you to quickly dispose of collected pet hair. With a variety of attachments, including a turbo brush designed for pet hair, this vacuum cleaner is ideal for both floor and above-floor cleaning. Key features: cyclonic technology prevents clogs and maintains powerful suction for effective cleaning. Compact and lightweight, easy to store and maneuver, perfect for small spaces. HEPA filtration captures allergens and improves indoor air quality. Easy to empty dustbin minimizes mess when disposing of collected hair and debris. Turbo brush attachment, specially designed for effective pet hair removal. Versatile cleaning, suitable for various surfaces, including carpets, hardwood floors, and upholstery. Number 3. Multi-Surface Upright Vacuum Cleaner. The Multi-Surface Upright Vacuum Cleaner is a versatile cleaning tool that can handle pet hair on multiple surfaces with ease. Its powerful motor provides strong suction, making it an effective solution for homes with pets. The vacuum features a detachable hose and a range of attachments, including a pet hair tool, which allows you to clean hard-to-reach areas and upholstery effortlessly. This vacuum is designed with user convenience in mind, featuring an easy-to-navigate control panel and a washable filter for easy maintenance. The lightweight design allows for easy transport, so you can move it from room to room without hassle. Its sleek and modern appearance also makes it a stylish addition to any home. Key features: powerful motor, provides strong suction for effective cleaning of pet hair. Detachable hose, allows for versatile cleaning in hard-to-reach areas. Pet hair tool, specifically designed to lift pet hair from carpets and upholstery. Washable filter, easy to clean and maintain, reducing the need for replacements. Lightweight design, easy to maneuver and transport around the house. Multi-surface capability, suitable for cleaning carpets, hardwood floors, and furniture. Number for smart robotic vacuum cleaner for pet hair. The smart robotic vacuum cleaner for pet hair is an innovative solution for pet owners seeking convenience. This robotic vacuum uses advanced sensors and mapping technology to navigate your home while effectively picking up pet hair. Its slim profile allows it to reach under furniture and in tight spaces where traditional vacuums may struggle. Equipped with a powerful suction system and a rotating brush, this robotic vacuum captures pet hair and debris with ease. It also features a programmable scheduling function, allowing you to set cleaning times according to your needs. With its ability to automatically return to the charging station when low on battery, you can set it and forget it, ensuring a consistently clean home. Key features: advanced navigation, sensors help the vacuum navigate around furniture and avoid obstacles. Powerful suction and rotating brush, effectively captures pet hair and debris. Slim design, fits under furniture and into tight spaces for thorough cleaning. Programmable scheduling, set cleaning times for added convenience. Automatic charging, returns to the charging station when battery is low. Remote control, easily control the vacuum from anywhere in your home. Number 5. Corded pet hair vacuum cleaner with HEPA filter. The corded pet hair vacuum cleaner with HEPA filter is a powerful cleaning machine designed to tackle pet hair and allergens effectively. With its corded design, this vacuum offers uninterrupted suction power, making it ideal for large homes or extensive cleaning tasks. The HEPA filter captures pet dander and allergens, providing a cleaner environment for you and your pets. This vacuum features an array of tools, including a motorized brush for deep cleaning carpets and a crevice tool for tight spaces. The ergonomic design ensures comfortable use, and the long power cord allows for extended reach without the need to switch outlets frequently. This vacuum cleaner is perfect for those who need a reliable and efficient solution for cleaning pet hair. Key features: corded design, provides consistent suction power for thorough cleaning. HEPA filter, captures allergens and improves air quality in your home. Motorized brush, effectively removes pet hair from carpets and upholstery. Versatile tools, includes attachments for various cleaning tasks and surfaces. Ergonomic design, ensures comfort during extended cleaning sessions. Long power cord, offers extended reach, minimizing the need for frequent outlet switching. Conclusion: choosing the right vacuum cleaner to handle pet hair is essential for maintaining a clean and comfortable home. The top 5 best upright vacuum cleaners for cleaning pet hair highlighted in this article are excellent choices that combine powerful suction, specialized attachments, and advanced filtration systems. Whether you prefer a traditional upright vacuum or a modern robotic solution, these options from AliExpress will help you keep your living space free from pet hair and allergens, allowing you to enjoy your furry friends without the hassle.